Inhale simple, Taco Fan Iota has neither executed off the TRD Pro, its hardest center, most go dirt road robbing prepared manufacturing plant Tacoma pickup, nor fixed its capacities. The constrained version truck returns for 2019 pressing a similar Fox Racing Shox dampers, exceptional outside touches, and selective paint shading alternative that have characterized the breed since 2014, preceding the Tacoma's substantial invigorate for 2016. By and by, you can have the TRD Pro in any shading as long as it's super white, midnight black, or upplanting a year ago's cavalry blue Uda blue. For those not aware of everything, the TRD in the name alludes to Toyota Racing Development, Toyota's in-house execution arm. Oh, and you would be advised to like the Tacoma Group taxicab with the most limited accessible bed length. No broadened taxi, since quite a while ago bed alternatives for you. The TRD Pro's front end keeps its TRD selective passed-out grille with old-fashioned Toyota lettering, despite the fact that underneath it Toyota has fitted another slip plate. Just critical fanboys will see that the standard TRD feline back fumes wears another dark painted tip. The suspension is as yet comprised of TRD front loop springs that raise the ride tallness by 1.0-inch, dynamic rate raise leaf springs, a bigger front hostile-to-move bar in respect to non-TRD Pro Tacomas, and 2.5-inch distance across Fox Racing Shox inside side step dampers front and back. The back safeguards even have outside oil supplies. Past the suspension, the TRD Pro gets a locking back differential in a standard Tacoma's accessible 278 horsepower 3.5-liter V6 motor. Four-wheel drive is, obviously, standard, similar to an electronic territory administration framework, a 6-speed manual transmission, a JBL sound framework, calfskin seats, 16-inch TRD dark painted wheels, and Rigid Industries mist lights. A 6-speed program transmission is discretionary, yet we don't prescribe it. In our trial of a 2017 Tacoma TRD Pro, we found the unit's broadly dispersed apparatuses and odd programming made for busier move conduct than appeared to be fundamental. One new choice to keep your eyes on is the TRD adornment snorkel consumption, which keeps running from the stock admission position inside the correct front wheel well to the highest point of the A column. Toyota depicts the piece as invaluable for dusty, messy conditions, as it draws motor admission air from the cleaner environs at the windshield's elevation, as opposed to close to the correct front wheel. It isn't evident whether the snorkel is waterproof to empower the TRD Pro to swim into more profound water, yet we've asked Toyota and are anticipating a reaction. In any case, few pickup trucks this side of Ford's F-150 Raptor and envy off chance that it goes to the US. The littler Ranger Raptor look as intentional and extreme as this Tacoma, especially when furnished with that neutered admission. Try not to expect the benefit of owning one to be shoddy, a potential staying point now that Chevrolet's Colorado ZR2 exists and the Ranger Raptor is likely on its way to our shores. The 2018 Tacoma TRD Pro rang in at $44,565 to begin. As previously, Toyota will assemble just a predetermined number of them to be correct. Better line up at your nearby Toyota merchant for one this fall, when the TRD Pros wind up noticeably accessible.